Then take it out. Then take it
Okay,
out.
it's like this.
And then, okay, take it
This
out.
is a lot.
Okay, here's how they do it.
Take it out.
Take it out with a toothpick.
Then you have this part. No need to eat it.
You pull off the,
This part. One.
don't eat the shell, yeah. And then you,
Yeah, no, it's okay. You didn't get that part, so you eat it, all of it.
no, he's got it
Where
there.
is it?
Slimy part.
This?
Pinch off the slimy part there. Yeah. No?
It's okay.
Okay, eat that.
You didn't get all of it.
There you go. Down the hatch, buddy. Bon appetit.
Is it delicious?
That's good.
Have you swallowed?
I just swallowed.
That's my boy.
Alright, got
Do
it.
you like it?
It's interesting.
You get used to it.
Stop filming.
Hi.
Eat a snail, Wade.
Trying to.
It's not. Looks like a giant booger.
It's not nice to say, funky.
This is bad?
Yeah, this is the bad part.
What happens if you eat the bad part?
I don't know, but
Dad, why don't you go have some?
I don't eat that slimy stuff.
Try it. Try it.
I'll have some in a minute. I just want
Document.
to document this moment.
Alright. This one's a little bigger.
Yeah, they get some real hefty ones.
It's his little tentacles and stuff.
Now, can I have some of the sauce?
you can see their eyes.
Yeah, you can see their eye. You can see their eye. You can.
Alright.
See? You finished?
I think so.
Oh, really?
Hate it? Do you hate it?
No, this is weird.
Taste it?
Okay.
Like fish, you...
No, it's not like
Can
fish.
I take the foot?
It tastes like
Can
fish.
I take the foot?
The snails taste like
Can I take a piece of fish?
snails.
You want this?
It tastes like a